My dear student, welcome to Triple S Tech's e-learning initiative. Thank you very much for choosing to view the demo video. In this clip, you will have a good idea of what will be covered in the topic chosen by you. You have chosen the topic of fixed asset accounting. The asset accounting is all about recording the transactions pertaining to the life cycle of a fixed asset, namely asset acquisition, depreciation, and retirement. The target business process for asset accounting can be divided into three parts, namely acquisition and maintenance, depreciation, which is calculation and run of the depreciation, retirement. So the main target of the asset accounting configuration is to maintain the records of fixed assets in the books of accounts. The assets are maintained under several classes. For example, buildings, plant and machinery, office furniture, and so on. The accounting of fixed assets is always asset class centric. What could be the financial entries that are getting passed due to transactions in fixed assets? The financial entries are passed automatically based on the account determination rule that is assigned to each asset class. Each asset class is linked to a rule of accounting. It is called as account determination rule. The GL accounts that are required for all possible transactions of the asset class will be included in the rule. Basically, you need the following GL accounts in the minimum per asset class. The first one is acquisition account, which is the final asset debit account. The second one is accumulated depreciation account. This is again a balance sheet account with a credit balance. Stores the depreciation whenever it is calculated. Depreciation charge account, which is nothing but a profit and loss account for debiting the depreciation. And finally, there are accounts for loss and gain on sale of assets. We also have a clearing account to capitalize or adjust the transactions that take place without a contra liability account. You create an account determination rule including all these accounts and link it to the GL accounts rule. In other words, the GL account determination rule that is linked to the asset class. Let us have a look at the depreciation aspect of the fixed asset accounting. Depreciation is the periodical charge to the P&L account on account of attrition in the value of a asset. Each company code is assigned to a depreciation chart at country level. Together, depreciation chart decides all the parameters of depreciation accounting. Depreciation is calculated either monthly or half yearly or annually based on depreciation areas and depreciation keys. The depreciation areas decide what type of depreciation has to be calculated, and depreciation keys decide what exactly is the depreciation amount. By types, I mean the depreciation can be calculated differently for the same asset in SAP using different depreciation areas. For example, this can be book depreciation or a tax depreciation or a cost accounting depreciation, etc. So the type of depreciation is decided by the area. The exact depreciation calculation, such as whether it is written down value or when to start, when to end, how many levels, etc., is calculated by the depreciation key. So these two things decide how to calculate depreciation. Depreciation rates can be fixed at asset level or at individual asset level. This is also possible. for the entire class, we can say this is the rate and this is the method of calculation. So therefore, the depreciation is done by what is called as depreciation chart that is assigned to each company at country level. Each country has its own depreciation chart. Finally, the asset accounting has all the reports that are required for management to view as well as for the legal requirements. Hope you are satisfied with the coverage of the subject. Now for the next steps. Click on Buy Now below this video to complete your order. We will get your mail order in our mailbox. We will send you the complete recording within 24 hours. Follow the instructions that accompanies your recording mail. View the video as many times as you feel. And if you have any doubts, contact us and the clarification will be provided instantly by our team. For more information, contact us on info@sstech.in. All the best for your SAP learning.